Brandy Hostetler. I am a critical care nurse practitioner. I work in the ICU with patients and families going through critical illnesses, whether they're new or long outstanding problems they've had, and I provide care for them when they're most sick. Yeah, it's important to hold on to your compassion and your understanding. There are so many stages of grief and everyone goes through it differently. I've been through my own stages. I've seen people go through their stages, and it's just supporting your patient and the families the best they need, whatever that might be in that time. I've always loved science. I think science is super cool. So finding a career where I could apply that science to help people was just super cool. And then entwining that with a compassion and passion to help other people, it just kind of evolved into what it is, starting as a nurse to now working as a nurse practitioner in the ICU. So I worked with our organ transplant team in Cincinnati, which can be daunting to hear, but I worked with a team of people within the hospital to facilitate organ transplantation and the gift of life for other people. I grew up in Northeast Ohio in a small town, and I started my college career at Kent State University in Northeast Ohio. Once we finished college, my husband and I moved to Cincinnati, and we've lived there with our dogs, where I worked as an ICU nurse. And we just recently moved down here after I finished nurse practitioner school at Northern Kentucky University. I love reading. I love traveling when we have time. I'm very passionate about animals. We have our 2 dogs, and I love spending time with them. And of course, living in Cincinnati for 6 years, I'm a big Bengals fan.